Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you one of the services we offer: custom EPS packaging mold sampling. The customer sends us the Water Purifier filter cartridge product to be packaged. Based on the actual product, we design and develop a customized EPS packaging mold, enabling the production of EPS foam packaging specifically tailored to protect the Water Purifier filter cartridge product. At the initial stage, according to the physical sample and the customer's detailed requirements, we use a CNC machine to produce preliminary EPS packaging foam samples for customer review and confirmation. Once the sample is approved by the customer, we proceed with 3D design, followed by the formal manufacturing of the EPS packaging mold. This process ensures that the EPS packaging fits the product precisely, providing reliable protection, stability, and efficient mass production. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone